Sauce on the beat, bitch.
Tryna make a way out. Tryna help the homie, but he really need to stay out. Ever since a young nigga, he always had the same sound. Cussing at his mom, yeah, that's how it played out. But she spoke Spanish, so he had his way out. Niggas out the door till it's dark at the playground. Smoking little buzz till the roach, tryna stay around. Hitting niggas parties on the block, tryna stand ground. Little niggas active and the homies had 10 pounds. Walking around the city tryna swim, so we got down. Hit the PPTs with the bud, cause we smoke loud. Only 13, but we feeling like we grown out. He was tryna bang and I heard he got jumped down. Couple years later he was in, but he won't tell. Real solid nigga on my team, if you can't tell. I can't trust his soul, but my brothers, man, I can't tell. Now you get to thinking, gotta do better. Seeing mama smile, gotta move better. Know it starts to hurt in that cold weather. When you make it out, swear it gets better. Niggas like to talk, they don't know better. Promise they'll talk, cause the food's better. They don't know nothing but the news weather. Promise I won't fall like a loose feather. I've been on the ground tryna make a play. Waiting on this bell so I can seize this day. Take this life for granted, lay your mom today. Yeah, I wish the best, so from your mom I pray. Tryna make a way out. Tryna help the homie, but he really need to stay out. Ever since a young nigga, he always had the same sound. Cussing at his mom, yeah, that's how it played out. But she spoke Spanish, so he had his way out. Niggas out the door till it's dark at the playground. Smoking little buzz till the roach, tryna stay around. Hitting niggas parties on the block, tryna stand ground.